People are literally earning $300+ just typing the names. Here you can see there somebody has earned $57,000, $5,000, $22,879 that you can also literally model it right now and get the exact results right now. Here around $15,000, $17,000 around. Hey Avengers, welcome to another video. In this video I'll be showing you how you can make $300 per day literally typing names. You can do this with your phone also without the need of having your own computer, along with earning proof of the people that are earning from this. This video is going to be a value boom, guys. Make sure you stay till this end of this video and watch this video completely. But before starting, make sure you press the red subscribe button and press on the bell icon and press all for getting all my future video notifications at the first. For this, at first you should go to google.com and in the search bar you should search Squad Help. This is the website that the people are using for earning that kind of money just by typing names. This is actually a website in which big website owners are asking for the names of their website or domain names or anything names that people are not getting. At first I'll show you the earning proof of the people that are earning from this method. Here you can see this guy Little that has earned around $57,109 recently, and then this guy has earned around $5,852, $19,804. Light something his name is. And there, here you can see one more guy has earned $22,000, $29,000, $38,000, and around $17,000 approximately. So here you can see that people are earning from this method, from this website. Just what you need to do is in this website is you need to just type the names of for a website that the website owner will ask. Here what the thing is going on is, in this website, the big website owners are not able to take some guys are there who want to start their own business. For that they need their names of the business. They are not able to get for them. They are approaching these websites, and from people like us can get a chance for giving their names to the website owners, and with this website owners we can start earning our mates. Here you can see they have names. They are uploading names, tags, everything, agency level experiences there. There are various customers who have taken service from them. Here you can see one guy have written, they have given 5 stars. I can't thank Squad Help enough for allowing me the opportunity to work with such creative minds who produce honest and ethnic works. I adore each and every creative work Squad Helps. Like you can see here, many people have taken services from this that is giving us an opportunity to continue with this. Here one more girl is there who have written brilliant way to collaborate with the top building feedbacks that led me something. One more guy is there who is writing Squad Help is beyond expectations, just exactly what it says, something like that. So here you can see people are giving 5-star rating, and this is a legit website, guys. Here you can start earning money by giving names or logos for the companies that want to start their business right now. Don't worry, if you don't know also how to make the names, I'll give the names also. How to take the name, I'll show you in this. Here what is the thing is that they are giving some contests. In the contest they are giving some names. So for this you need to sign up and click on this start contest. So here we can see that some testimonials. So I'll show it first, then I'll show you how you can do and how to start this one. Some testimonials that some guy has given this one. I have sold some of their names recently. Here written is, I was very happy with the number of names that the birds submitted in the contest. Additionally, the support I get from the staffs when I was sure of things. That recently he have given his name for organic skincare, and his name got selected and he have sold his name. So here you can see for this what you need to go to. You need to go to contest, and in the contest you need to go for active contest something. In the active contest you can see there are literally job postings that people like brand owners or owners who want to start their business are giving the job requirements. Here in the right side you can see there are tons of different niches that you can go right now. There are beauty niche, automobile niche, e-commerce niche, food niche, truck niche, finance niche, whatever niche you are interested in, that you like to give the names on, or the logos, or whatever you want, you can give in this name, in this kind of things, that in this category. So for this I'll be taking as beauty and cosmetics for this video. So next is there are names and taglines. You can give taglines, names, taglines, logos and designs also they are taking. So in my next video I'll be showing you how can you make logos for free of cost that will get sales for you. For this I'll be taking only names here, for names only. Here you can see there are lots of brand job openings that have come. Here you can see business brand name, they want, some guys want business brand names, and they are paying around $300 and around only 939. Next is people have entries for this job. Next is name for some national cheese something. You can see lots of job openings here. Let me search for one job like that is working, that I'll think maybe I'll start for working. Maybe product name for a beauty cosmetic business is there. Here you can see ratings, and there is number of entries that people have entered, registered for this job or contest. It is called like job openings are called as a contest here. So here you can see some guys name for a national chain. I think this is a nice, this one we can job for us for do it right now. There's some laser tattoo removal here. We can see properly there here only 1170 entries. That's a lot, very few people are there. With it you can do competitions and all. And here you can see guaranteed price of around $200. After this one your work is done, your logo, names or name taglines, anything is there, they will choose, they will buy from you for around $200. That's huge actually guys, huge actually. So you should start doing this one right now. So but how, if you don't know how to take names, how to write names and logos, but don't worry, I'm there, I'll be helping you out with this also. So for this, for typing names, but I am finding the names from my websites. And make sure for this, one thing you should know, that if you search a name or give a name, that name should be available as a domain, for taking as a domain.com, because they are going to start the website with only names. They will not do anything with this, they will not buy from you. The names whichever you are giving, it should be on .com, should be available for this, or the URL or should be available for this. For this we'll go for a lean Google and search for lean domain search, as I have shown here, lean domain search. This is the website that I'm using for finding my names, my website's names for the dropshipping. As you know, I'm doing dropshipping with my dropshipping store. I'm searching my names first. Name plays a great role in the business for a long term. So for that job openings, they were searching for tattoo remover. Let me type here something like, I'll type first, let me see tattoo, how it works, what are the names. Here you can see whichever is been like more efficient of that job openings, we'll take the names from that. So here we can see there are lots of names out there that have come up. Tattoo invest something, tattoo looks something, but I think they have said something tattoo remover. And but in tattoos we can see there are lots of tattoo names are there. There are thousands of names are there, 1,000 knots, I think hundreds maybe, but that's a lots of names that you can get idea of. So next we can, if I scroll down, you can see there are tons of names, ideas that has come out. And one more thing guys, this names is available as an URL for taking the people for buying this one as their domain name. This like domain name, they can literally purchase this exact name with .com right now. So that's why I am using this website right now, because this is giving me tons of ideas, whatever niche I am in. If you are in any kind of other niche, cloth niche, anything, so you can search for that in here, and there you look at lots of names out there. So for this I'll be searching, let's see, I didn't get anything for tattoo. I'll search for tattoo remover. Here I've searched a tattoo remover. Let's see, you can see there are thousands of names that have come up here. You can see tattoo online something, tattoo on web, that I think that's not good. Let me see what the actual job openings requirements are there. They have asked. It should be some tattoos, some clients who want to fade their tattoo completely something. So okay, so we got an idea like what kind of name they are searching. Then you can go and search for that similar kind of name that has been working, so that they can buy. Here you can see one name has come up, Eco Tattoo Remover. I think that's nice. And you can see, let's say It's .com is, yes, this .com is available. This name can be used as a domain name for them to purchase from us. So in there we can see this kind of names. You can get an idea without literally typing. You don't need to type also. Just type this one, the name, the logo idea. You can get it, not logo, the time name, the domain name idea. You can get tons of domain name ideas here, and you can see there are thousands of domain names out there that you can literally start giving the names and taking the names and apply for this. The job applies, and there is only 1,000 applies. You will get the job very easily. And who is not, you can see here, if the names is getting selected, you'll get $200. So just for 10 minutes of searching work, you can make huge amount of money right now, and people are earning from this also. If you want to learn how I make money online, make sure you check these 2 cool videos out right now.